In this video, we are going to draw the facial expressions of the character. The expressions are the most important part of animation. Without expressions, the character will not come to life. Follow the video to see how we draw our expressions using the brush tool in the Animate CC. First, we will trace the head of our character. We will not trace the eyes, eyebrows and mouth as it will change when we draw the expressions. We trace the contour of the ace, select it using the shortcut Ctrl A and turn it into a group by pressing Ctrl G on the keyboard. We use the arrow key on the keyboard to move the drawing on the right of the stage. We now move ahead to draw our first expression, which is happy. In this expression, we draw the eyes first. Notice how the cheeks are covering the bottom part of the eyes because the character is smiling. The smile is so wide that the cheeks come up covering the eye. We now draw the eyebrows. After that, we move to draw the mouth of the character for this expression. We have drawn the happy expression. Next, we draw the sad expression. We will turn on the onion skin for the position of the eyes. Here, the eyes will be looking down and the eyelids will cover top part of the eyes. Please see the video. The mouth will be the exact opposite of how we draw the smile. The eyebrows come down slightly. We are now drawing the angry expression. Please see the video and follow the position of the eyebrow carefully. In this expression, we can show the mouth with the upper and the lower teeth placed on each other. Please follow the video for the next set of expressions. The next expression will be curious. We can draw one eyebrow up and one down. The mouth will be as seen in the video. The next expression will be annoyed. We can show the pupil on the upper right side of the eyeball. Please see the video. The right side of the upper lip will be lifted up, showing the teeth. We will draw the next expression as if the character is scheming something. This expression will have a touch of evil smile. Please follow the video carefully. The next expression is surprised. Please see the video and follow. The last expression of the video is scared. Please follow the eyebrows and the mouth drawing carefully. We can scale down the pupil slightly to add impact. All the expressions we have drawn till now are roughs. We will now vector all the expressions inside the symbol of the character. Please see the video.